Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We have a quick update today, some exciting things to tell you about. I wanted to let you know that we've been looking for 5 ways to the downside at multiple degrees of trend, first on a 1 minute and a 5 minute chart, and this is a 10-minute from a few days ago. You can see we have 5 down, a lower high, 5 down, a lower high, 5 down, a lower high. We had an expanded flat in there, but just wanted to clue you in on what we've been looking for. And before I forget, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, hitting that reminder bell, and don't forget about the like button. My apologies for that video. I'm so excited I didn't get all this stuff together. Okay, but the like button is down there. Thank you guys for patronizing the channel. Excuse me. Also want to let you know about our awards and disclaimer right there. You can see it there, and quickly we'll get to our subscription. And the monthly subscribers have had access to a few things in advance of what you guys are getting in YouTube. But again, that's why they're monthly subscribers. But you can see what we have there. We'll get into that a little bit later. Okay. But what we're looking at here is I want to give you a quick update on the S&P. I think I got all that business taken care of. If not, we'll look at it later. This is an hourly chart where we got the August 19 low to the September 2nd all-time high at 45.45. You can see our breakdown here. 1, 2, and then third wave extends. There's 1. There's an ABC expanded flat for 2. There's 3, 4, and 5 to complete 3. There was 4 up. We wanted that to hold. We wanted to see a 5th wave down. We haven't been seeing any, and we finally got one. Here is 5 down. That completes a larger wave 1. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. We told our subscribers the other day, this low is good, but it doesn't look like 5 yet. We need this 4 to hold. Actually, we needed this 4 to hold. My bad. That's the 44.92 over here. Let me move it over there. We needed that 4 to hold to get a 5 down. It did, and this is a good thing. Okay, so that's first of several confirmations we need. But let me get into that in more detail here. Okay, here's that same hourly bar. There is the 819 low. Again, we've been saying for months now, well, maybe not months, weeks, that we need a break below this low to confirm a change in trend. You can see we got 5 waves up there. There's 1, 2. There's 1, the expanded flat 2. There's 3 and 4 and 5. We had a target of 44.36 was the 618 retracement target. The market hit 44.35 today. Another direct hit. We had 4 direct hits last week. We got another direct hit. And we got a direct hit in time, too. We'll get back to that. But in price, we hit it there. That is 1 down. You see 1 with the circle there. 2 up targets. There's the Fibonacci retracement targets. 4477, 4490, 4503. MOB, make or break. A move above the make or break all-time high of 45.45 negates this count. Obviously, then we're going up to new all-time highs. But this is wave down. We should see a 3-wave retracement in wave 2 up, unless this thing wants to extend even further, which is possible. But there's our keys right there, 43.67, 45.45, bang, direct hit. Let's get into time here real quick, okay? So we've got that 1 down. There's our 2 up targets. Let me see if I can find our newsletter there. Just show you guys what our subscribers are getting, direct hit and price and time. You can see there is that chart, if you will. And I want to touch on time. We've got several different Fibonacci time spirals. This one in particular, here you can see there, 44.36. We hit 44.35. Okay, there we go. And where are we looking at? There we go. We received confirmation. Not only we've been looking on the small 1 and 5 minute charts, but we also got it on the hourly today. The 5th wave down. Okay, it also scored a direct hit on our time spiral, which was from the 9 to 20 turn date. Okay, let me get into that. I'll scroll up to that later. This one has been working here. Let me get that into the picture if I can do that. Okay, from the 920 high, you can see all these turn dates, and the next one in the sequence. Our customers have had this obviously for months. This one has been working pretty darn good with very little slippage. But that's the next date, and the turn date was today in the sequence, and it hit a low on right on our target within one tick of price and within no ticks of time. No slippage there. Okay, so the next one's pretty far out. It would be the it's going to be over a year out because 377. All right, but I wanted to show you guys that. The spirals we're more familiar with more recently. This one up here from the 3-4 low that has no slippage, 1 minute through the 726 high. The next turn date in that sequence is October 23, and the other spiral from that that expanded flat July 6 high, it had 8:30 August 30th. It had a plus 3 days into September 2nd. The next turn date in that sequence is October 3rd. So we've got an October 3rd and October 23rd turn date coming up, and we have a low with a direct hit now. Okay, so we should expect a 3-wave rise into one of these targets here. That should happen now, like I said, unless this wave wants to extend. There's our make or break to the upside. For you bears, break above there, and this count is wrong. And that's for you bulls, then you can take advantage of that. And then on the downside, we need a break of the 819 low. We got what we wanted. We have 5 waves to the downside, 1 minute, 5 minute, and now today, hourly. Huge development. Not coincidentally, it hit right on our target as far as price and time. Direct hit at 2 degrees, one of price and one of time. Okay, we'll see where this goes from here. And until next time, take care, everyone.